Hello. Today, we will listen to a simple story in English. This story is called Forest Walk. Let's begin. One day, a young man named Tom wakes up early. The sun is shining. The birds are singing. It is a beautiful day. Tom wants to go for a walk in the forest. He puts on his shoes. He wears a warm sweater and jeans. He takes his backpack. In his backpack, he has a bottle of water, a sandwich, and a notebook. Tom leaves his house. He walks down the road. He sees big trees and green grass. He smiles. He loves nature. After 10 minutes, Tom enters the forest. The forest is quiet. There are many trees. Some trees are tall. Some trees are small. Tom walks slowly. He listens to the wind. He hears a bird. The bird is singing. Tweet, tweet, says the bird. Tom smiles again. He sees a rabbit. The rabbit is white. It jumps and runs away. Tom writes in his notebook, "I saw a white rabbit." Tom continues walking. He finds a small path. He follows the path. He sees flowers. The flowers are yellow, blue, and purple. They are very pretty. Suddenly, he sees a squirrel. The squirrel has a big tail. It climbs a tree. It looks at Tom. Tom waves and says, "Hello, little squirrel." Tom walks more. Now he is a little tired. He finds a big rock. He sits on the rock. He takes out his sandwich and water. He eats slowly. While eating, he sees two birds. They are small and brown. They fly together. Tom watches them. Tom finishes his food. He writes more in his notebook. "I saw a rabbit, a squirrel, and two birds." He continues his walk. Now, the sun is lower. The forest is a little darker. Tom knows it is time to go home. He walks back on the path. He listens to the sounds. He feels happy. After 1 hour, Tom is home again. He takes off his shoes. He drinks tea. He sits and reads his notebook. He smiles and says, "It was a good day." Now, let's review the new words. Forest, a place with many trees. Rabbit, a small animal that jumps. Squirrel, a small animal with a big tail. Backpack, a bag you wear on your back. Path, a small road in nature. Rock, a big stone. Bird, an animal that flies. Flower, a colorful plant. Let's practice some sentences. 1. I see a rabbit. 2. The rabbit is white. 3. I walk in the forest. 4. The squirrel is on the tree. 5. I eat a sandwich. 6. The bird is singing. 7. It is a good day. 8. I love nature. Great job. You listened to the story and practiced English. Now, try to tell your own forest story. Use simple words. Use short sentences. Thank you for watching. See you next time.